Prepper home planning. As a prepper plans a home, they should consider some additional factors. In the following short video, we'll hit on some of the more common ones. Home location. Most preppers elect to build in rural communities rather than populated cities. Home placement. Are you going to go with typical above-ground construction, or will you choose to create a subterranean home? Safe room. Most preppers prefer to incorporate a safe room into design plans, while some carry that even further with a whole house fortified approach. Communal living. A growing practice is opting to join a small prepping community in a communal living arrangement. Livestock. Raising some form of livestock should be considered. Chickens and rabbits are popular choices due to their small size. Garden. Gardens should also be a part of your intended build, as food self-reliance is a priority as a prepper. Conclusion. There are of course many other considerations for planning out your prepper homestead. However, these are some of the initial questions you should answer as you begin to consider planning and purchasing. Best of luck with your journey, and make sure and share it with us both here in the comments as well as in our social media groups.